What is going on, my meta millionaires slash metaholics? I just want to say, damn, I'm pissed off again. This market is just so damn ridiculous, and we're just going to roll through some of these tabs I got here of stocks. You know, us retail investors, we're getting freaking fed up with it, man. Something has to be done. The market right now is either just so rigged or just so against retail investors, it makes us want to pack our bags and leave and let the hedgies battle each other out. And we'll come back in at a freaking later date when the market wants to be fair, because I cover metamaterials on this channel a lot. As you can see, the last 5 days on this stock, we are down over 18.26%. Okay, people may say maybe metamaterials is just a bad stock. Let's look at SoFi Technologies over the last 5 days. Down 19.78%, down to $13.75. Guys, that is there by, oh my God, I'm drunk. Chamath, yes, Chamath. Sorry about that, but yeah, Chamath's back right there. Merged over to SoFi. Look at the Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF, down 25.36% in the past 5 days, down to $16.01. Need I keep going on? Another stock that is a retail investor stock, ticker symbol BARK, B-A-R-K, is down 18.37% in the past 5 days. Here's ticker symbol BODY, B-O-D-Y, down over 8%. Another heavily shorted retail investor stock. This one here, ticker symbol XL, XL Fleet Corp, down to $5.66, down 23.10% in 5 days. Smile Direct Club, I did the 1 month on this because the 5 days on ticker symbol SDC, Smile Direct Club, is down 7.32%, but it was just literally the other day, the stock dropped about 30%. It was hanging up here in the $7 ranges, and now it's down to $4.81. And the last stock I'm going to show you the 5-day chart for is Wish, ticker symbol WISH. We're down 32.98% over the last 5 trading business days. How much more can we take? That is the question. How much more can us retail investors take of this bullcrap? That's what I want to put over to you guys. How much more can we take? Poor MMAT getting beat down $2.91. Now, I do have some great information for MMAT, but does it really matter? It doesn't matter at all. First, I want to say, to prove a point, that great information doesn't even matter. That it doesn't even matter. The stock market right now is not trading on fundamentals. It's not trading at all on fundamentals. We're not being transparent. SEC is not helping all this crap going on. They're just out having a freaking, coconut rum on the beach somewhere as these hedgies, dark pools just manipulate the whole market on the retail investor stocks. Guys, I put out a video earlier today. I did it last night. It's right here. Talking about Genius Brands. The stock destroyed earnings. Yes, they did. And the stock is still hammered down. Let me pull it up for you. They put out, guys, amazing earnings, and they're down over 7.5% over the last 5 days. Now, this is what I'm saying. This is just not even right. A stock put out phenomenal earnings. They crushed every aspect of their earnings, and they're still down 7.5%. Something's not right. This is just not even right, guys. I believe I just go right down here to the news. Just a quick rundown. Go check out that video if you want to see what I'm talking about. But look at this. Genius Brands announces 318% increase in revenue for the second quarter and 280% increase for the quarter as well. It's just like, what? Like, this is just unreal, guys. But on a lighter note, let's go in here and talk about the information I do have for Meta. I do want to keep you guys up to date and informed, but if you cannot tell, I'm just a little pissed off at all this bull crap that's going on in the market. And yes, most of those stocks that I scrolled through, they're ones I'm holding. So what you saw is what I'm down. Yes, we are getting destroyed. We are getting beat. It comes a point where you have to look and say, How much more can we take? You know, this is like, that's the question. How much more can we take? Now, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just venting. That's all I'm doing, guys. So don't get me wrong. I'm not selling any of these stocks. They can keep going down, keep going down. I'm not selling, but this is a general question. Where do we draw the freaking line and say enough is enough? We take out our money and just wait for the market to come around, and I'll dump it all back in once I see the market's been, you know, doing good for a couple of months. Because this is just brutal every day. That's why I put that post out there. Go take a walk. Don't look at your brokerage. But I just have to vent it out. Sometimes it just feels good. And venting this out puts a smile on my face. So let's go here and cover the meta information I got. All right, guys. Before we get started with the rest of this video, that took a lot of breath out of me, man. I had to get my wind back. And I need to calm down. I need to get relaxed. I got to get focused. We cannot make decisions when you're upset. So what do? Grab the old Mad Dog Blue Raspberry. That's right. MD 2020. Take a little swig. Right out of the refrigerator, man. It feels good. I'll tell you what. I'm not even angry anymore. If anything, I'm smiling. We're back to the video now. Let's get to it. Hope you all enjoyed that right there, man. Just had to get it out. Felt like it needed to get out. And I must say, it feels better. If you feel the same way I did at the beginning of this video, just go scream, go take a drink, I don't know, go run, go punch something. Whatever you need to do, punch a pillow for crying out loud. But anyway, back here, we got some SEC information, guys, that's right. First, I wanted to cover, though, the insider ownership. I thought this was a pretty interesting thing to cover. We know the shares outstanding is 284 million. Total insider shares is 43.5 million. Insider ownership is 15.31. The insider ownership float is 24.51%, and the total insiders is 27. And I did want to show down here that Mr. George right here, George Palikaris, holds 22,982,397 shares. He is at least a 10% or greater owner of MetaMaterials on the shares. There's a couple other big owners here as well. Greg McCabe has 6.8 million shares. He's also a 10% owner as well, it says there. So just wanted to put that out there. Here is it was the 8K form filed today, 8KA. And there was some great information just kind of validating the MMAT's financials is really what it was about. And KPMG down here kind of, you know, signed off on everything. And here's a letter to the shareholders of MetaMaterial saying that they consolidate the balance sheets as of December 31st, 2020 and 2019, and the related consolidated statements of operations and other comprehensive loss, changes in stockholders' equity, cash flows for the year ended, and related notes of the consolidated financial statements. Down here, KPMG gave their opinion. In our opinion, the consolidated financial statements referred to the above present fairly in all material respects the financial position of the company as of December 31st, 2020 and 2019, and the results of its operations and its cash flows for the years ended in accordance with the U.S. generally accepted accounting principles. KPMG LLP there signed, and that's the licensed public accountants, just validating this sheet, saying that is 100% official. So that is exciting to see. Now that we got that, I wanted to go here and go back to the owners, because we cover the ownership accumulation score, and we have moved up. It's a 96.51, but we are now ranked number 211 out of 36,000 stocks. I think that is a key thing to keep in mind. Now, I found a couple interesting facts down here. There is a couple companies that bought this stock a while back. Like, just example here, this Pacific Select Fund has a new position that was, as we scroll down here, it was effective date June the 30th, and it was filed today, August 17th. They are currently down 82.8% on their position, guys. So there is some big dogs out there down 80% as well with the rest of us. So keep that in mind. But they do have 17,000 shares. We got this Booth Bay Fund Management of 6,000 shares. They have another small cap fund here that's down 59%. So they must have bought the initial position. It dipped, they bought more, and they're still down almost 60%. So yeah, that's it for the 17th. Not too much on here. Someone did buy 3 shares, but they started a position. They at least opened up a brokerage. And we do got the Booth Bay as well. Did a put position at when it was $7.49. So they're probably pretty happy right now that the stock is down under $3. We go here to the short interest. Still says the short squeeze score is 50.98, right in the middle. If we go down here and look at the 16th, the FINRA short volume ratio is 53.72%, and the combined short volume ratio is 55.88, and that was with the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX. If we go here to today, 8/17, the FINRA short volume ratio, 51.31. The numbers look pretty similar to what maybe the FINRA had a little bit more. They had about 500,000 more. PSX had about 13,000 more. So we'll see what the CBOE has and bring you that information. Now, I went over here and got you all the spreadsheet here for 8/16. We're going to go down here and cover these numbers, guys. And I also got the charts as well. So we're going to go down here and look at this. I must say it's honestly not what we're used to seeing. It's usually a lot more than this, but we still want to report it. We want to keep track of it. The total short share transactions was 68. I was hoping we could have got just one more because the number just would have been that much better if you get what I'm saying. Anyway, back to the total shares shorted. 208,284 shares were shorted. The total dollar amount of those shares shorted, $640,403. If we go down here and look at our charts, guys, these are the shares shorted. These are the value of the shares shorted. Nothing really crazy. The biggest one of the day was honestly like right out the gate. It was 10,000 shares shorted for right around $30,000. Right here, $30,300. Everything else was just kind of 21,000, 23,000. There was a couple small ones down here, but honestly, nothing too crazy on the short sale transactions. So now I want to go here to this post right here. Trey Subway Cup on Twitter. He tagged me and a lot of other of the metaholics that are on Twitter. And he posted a very intriguing picture. And I did retweet this on my Twitter account. So if you follow me on Twitter at TerryZ247, the official Twitter account, look at this chart. He combined all these between MMAT, AMC, and GME. And if I wouldn't be darned, those charts look all the same to me. So great work there from Trey's Subway Cup. And we'll go back here just so you can see my official Twitter page right here at TerryZ247. I did share here. I do want to point this out as well. Yesterday I shared Ehor. He is the Predictive S3 Partners, and he posted that. And I retweeted it and tagged him, and he actually liked my retweet. So I just want to say thank you, Ehor, for supporting the channel and the retweet there. I said the shorts keep short and not covering. Thank you, Ehor, for this information, my friend. And he liked it. So that says a lot. The Ehor replied back to us and put a like on it. That was pretty cool. I got the notification and I was like, whoa. Ehor liked it. As you know, if we go here to MetaMaterials, they also follow us right there, MetaMaterials. And if we go to Mr. George, you can see right here, MetaMaterials follows you. And if we go to George, George follows me as well. So that's pretty cool. They are watching. George, have you seen this? Don't hold that against me if I go for a job with Meta, man. I just had to vent out. You know how it is. You have a stressful day. You just need to vent it out. So that's what it was. I did see, what was it? Not that one. It was MetaMaterials. MetaMaterials is hiring for a production technician. That's right. So I don't know if I have that qualification, but George, if you're hiring for someone to be your social media guru, right here, Mr. Buy the Dip, Terry Yunker. Come shoot me a message, man. I would love to work for Meta. That would be amazing. Guys, I do want to end the video here on this. Twitter page at METATERRY News. They have some great information on here. Now, this was back from August the 2nd, but we do have the Police Expo event coming 8/24 to 8/25 with the laser glare protection demonstration. And we do got the reality event, the augmented reality event 9/9 through 9/11. So keep that catalyst coming up. They also posted here about the dividend stuff. So I may come back in a separate video and kind of cover more on that dividend information because I think that is something people are really intrigued about. So just wanted to put it out here. You can go follow them as well. They have a lot of great information. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit of a rant today. So yeah, that's why we buy the Mad Dog, $3.95, because we got to drink on a budget. We got to drink on a budget. I normally don't drink, but when you get ramped up, got to have a drink. So guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you didn't, smash a thumbs up for the Mad Dog at least. I know everyone likes Mad Dog. So all right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.